how to add your own music to Spotify playlist. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can add your own music to your Spotify playlist. So once you guys have some music in your phone, after that simply open up Spotify on your phone. So now from over here I will just simply look up Spotify in my phone, and then after that, once I've opened up Spotify, now from over here click on the top right on the settings button, and then after that simply scroll down and click on local files. After that, make sure that the option which says show audio files from this device is checked, and once this particular option is checked, after that click on the bottom right on your library, and then once you guys click on your library, you guys are going to be able to see this particular local file section come up. Now over here you guys are going to be able to see the local file section come up. Simply click on that, and now from over here you will be able to see all the songs that you guys have on your phone in a playlist on Spotify. So basically all your local music is going to be added to Spotify in this particular playlist, and you will be able to listen to all of them using Shopify. So guys, this was the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.